Today we're going to learn how to make random teams. To make random teams, enter this formula. So wrap rows, sort by, select your list of name, comma, type rand array function, rand array, then counter or count a, whatever, and select your array, a list, and close parentheses 3 times, comma, and then counter function, count your team, select your teams, and then close parentheses, and then comma and inverted comma 2 times, and hit enter. There you go. Here all the randoms team have been created. If you want to update it, you can hit F9. Thank you so much.